Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring you have admin access and e-discovery permissions. This unlocks archive controls. Next, pick the scope, specific mailboxes, a date range, or labels that match retention needs. Once decided, export a quick backup of any critical mailboxes to PSD, because rolling back is hard. Then open the Microsoft 365 Compliance Center, navigate to Solutions Information Governance, and start a new archive or retention policy so you can apply consistent, auditable rules. You now build detailed retention policies. Choose whether to retain, delete, or place items on legal hold, and set precise durations. Once done, assign those policies to target mailboxes, groups, or exchange locations. Make sure inheritance and conflicts are reviewed. Then start the archival job or retention action and monitor progress in the Compliance Center. Make sure to run a trial on a non-critical mailbox first, because that surface check reveals permission or filter issues without affecting production users. You finish by verifying archived content. Use Outlook's archive folder and the compliance search to confirm messages moved or retained as expected. Once verified, document exact policy settings and retention timelines for audits and team handoffs, and notify users of changes. If things go wrong, check permissions first, then indexing and policy conflicts. Often it's a missing permission or overlapping policy causing failure. Finally, rerun the archiving job and monitor logs until all mailboxes report success.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.